It's time to build the physical foundation for our course. In this lecture, we will assemble the complete circuit that we'll use throughout the remaining sections. We'll connect our LEDs, buttons, and a potentiometer to the breadboard, ensuring everything is wired correctly for our OOP object to control. First, place the red, yellow, and green LEDs on the breadboard. Connect the lone light of each LED to pins 12, 11, and 10 respectively through a 220 ohm resistor. Connect all the short legs to the common ground rail. Next, let's add 2 push buttons to pins 2 and 3. We will use the internal pull-up resistors later in code, so just connect one side to the pin and the other to ground. Finally, connect the hour pins of the potentiometer to 5 volts and ground, and the middle wiper pin to analog input as 0. Double check all your connections. Ensure there are no short circuits and that every component has a solid path to ground. Having a clean circuit now will save us a lot of troubleshooting time once we start writing more complex classes. With the hardware ready, it's your turn to apply what you've learned. In the next section, Lecture 05.01, we'll start building the push-button class. I'll see you there.